What is going on, everybody? I am Keenan with Katech Engineering, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about some of the throttle bodies that we offer. Here in front of me, I have our CNC billet aluminum throttle bodies that we offer for the LS and the LT variant engines. The 103 millimeter throttle body would be used in naturally aspirated applications as well as boosted applications up to 1,000 horsepower. Next up, our 112 millimeter throttle body. This throttle body has been designed to complement max effort naturally aspirated and boosted application builds up to 1,200 horsepower. Finally, we have our 120 millimeter throttle body. This throttle body has been designed and engineered to work seamlessly with your max effort boosted builds of 1,200 plus horsepower. The 103 and the 112 millimeter throttle bodies we offer in both anodized black and in clear aluminum finishes, while the 120 millimeter we only offer in anodized black. Call or go online today to get yours.